Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special, beautiful crochet scarf free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. These are beautiful ideas for working women, office girls, students. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Some are beautiful, simple and different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Some are granny square pattern. So beautiful. Different colors, some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern. Very nice. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Mostly girls like crochet dresses. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. And like and share my video with your family friends. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet beautiful free pattern, different designing, different ideas. Follow my channel, good comment section. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me. Goodbye.